by the Assistant Director, Mr. Gupta ma'am, and Jai Hind from the inauguration of Mindrop.
Tarun sir, let Aditya and Abiba start.
Okay, I would like to pass the honor of this inauguration ceremony to Aditya and Lavi. Over to you, Aditya.
The neural process underlying that, which we call creativity, have nothing to do with rationality. That is to say, if we look at how the brain generates creativity, we will see that it is not a rational process at all. Creativity is not born out of reason. The first thing that comes in all of our minds when we think of the word cognitive is reason, the logical interpretation behind every fact, every action. And even though it's inborn, the refinement for critical analysis must come with approach, with experience. And this is what we expect to develop in all the participants over the course of this event. So here we are with Mind Rocks for the session 2021-22, the extravaganza celebrating the fearlessness of the brave minds of the youth. Hope can be evoked even in the darkest of times, in the darkest of minds, with a simple show of faith. With this, I would request for the Deep Pratistapana.
Kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute Deepajyotir namostute Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada.
We hope that the Almighty bestows all of His blessings upon all of us. There's a fine line within the mind that makes self-belief and cognitive skills the defining elements of success or failure under any circumstances. The process of activating them without running into the risk of lying to ourselves is the key to unlock the superhuman lying dormant within every single one of us. With this, I would take the honor to invite our principal, Gurmeet ma'am, to address the gathering.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone, and a warm welcome to each one. On behalf of Sunbeam Bhagwanpur, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to our guests from India and abroad for consenting to act as judges in the different events of the day. I also welcome Assistant Director Mrs. Pratima Gupta, Assistant Director of Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions, to this forum, and I take this opportunity of welcome the other dignitaries present in this virtual platform. The intention behind such programs is to ignite young minds and give them platform to present their talent. These activities of Mind Drops are carefully curated so that it brings out the best of each student in front of us all. Students and teachers have worked hard to present this virtual event in front of all of us. I wish them all the best. On this note, I again extend a hearty welcome to all. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. We will surely try to live by them. For the further proceedings, I would like to pass on the mic to Midhat.
Thank you, Aditya. Aristotle had once said that be a free thinker and don't accept everything you hear as the truth. Be critical and evaluate what you believe in. For the truest essence of a critical mind does not lie in its ability to analyze a situation, but to counter and examine a well-established fact freely without fear. So here at Bhagwanpur, we believe in nurturing fearless minds, falling in sync with the quote, where the mind is without fear. To introduce the thought process behind this year's Mind Rock, we would be highly elated to invite our own Honorable Assistant Director, Ma'am, Mrs. Pratima Gupta. Ma'am, I would request you to officially inaugurate Mind Rocks 2021-22.
Thank you, Midhat.
If I were to be asked what is the greatest miracle on earth, according to me, in fact, according to me, the greatest miracle of all creation is the human mind. This tiny little thing inside our body does evoke so many wonderful things possible and makes the world worth living for us, that one would not be able to conceive the very existence of the world if the human beings did not have their mind. Where it comes to making the world different, where it comes to making the world a better place, we expect young minds to do this great momentous task. But if these young minds are straitjacketed into conformity, if these young minds are not allowed to roam free, if these young minds are not allowed to create to the very best of their potential, then they simply become absolutely dull. In fact, in the words of Tennyson, how dull it is to pause, to rust unburnished, not to shine in use, as though to breathe were life. Well, when we conceive an event like Mind Rocks, our effort is that the dreary desert sand of habit never ever makes these minds lose their polish, lose their brightness of purpose and of originality. Therefore, Mind Rocks. And we choose a byline when we say where the mind is without fear for this event, primarily because I feel free, unfettered thinking of the youth is what makes the world change for a better place into a better place. It is therefore essential that we allow the youth, the young adults, to think freely. They can be saying and talking about issues which our generations considered taboo. They can be voicing out opinions and holding on to stances which may seem very radical, very contrarian. But you know what? Every idea which seemed contrary at that point of time, years later, was hailed as something brilliant and wonderful and amazing. So people scoffed when one young gentleman said that why can't human beings fly? Why can't we make machines that enables flying? People scoffed when someone said that we can be talking to someone who is kilometers away simply by using a process. People, of course, scoffed when someone said that we can be ordering food sitting at our homes and not going out to the market to purchase them. And every time someone scoffed, the fearless mind just went ahead and innovated and made everyone else take back their words. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Where the Mind is Without Fear, our Mind Rocks, where we allow thoughts to emerge free and where we feel that we carve out a better place for all our youth to be. I wish success to the team. I'm waiting to hear eagerly all your thoughts and all your ideas and all your wonderful opinions about various issues. We have an amazing array of events put together. And now, without further ado, let Mind Rocks begin.
ma'am, what could be a better way to start off this jubilant event than to have a message from a highly educated and cognitive mind, Professor Pushpesh Pant. Sir is a noted Indian academician, food critic, and historian. He has retired as a professor of international relations from Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. He is one of India's leading professors in international relations and as well as Indian cuisine. As a columnist, Sir has written for a number of major publications such as Forbes, Outlook, Times of India, and the Tribune.
It gives me great pleasure to send this small message to the Sunbeam English Medium School, Bhagwanpur, Varanasi. I am delighted that like every year they are organizing the Mind Rocks Festival this year, which allows the students of class 11th and 12th to participate in a variety of stimulating activities, debates, elocution, mathematical tricks, and socially responsible things like financial management and so on. I wish them all the best for the competition. Let the best person win. And I am very, very happy once again that the school is organizing this like past years. I wish the school all success.
Thank you so much, sir, for your mellifluous words of wisdom. Gratitude makes sense of our past, decorates our present, and creates vision for our future. For the vote of thanks, we would like to invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Prerna Sharma.
Thank you, Labiba. Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. Today, I would like to admit my thoughts. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Please go on.
Today, I would like to admit my thoughts. A good event never ends in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. Thank you for these precious moments with the precious gems. In this temple of learning, we toil hard with the intention to hewn out these gems to make them sparkle in their career ahead. Thank you, management, for taking such initiatives. I would thank the mentors for sharing your precious time. I won't stop to thank all those students who were always ready to learn the new things that came on their way and had joined this episode to make these moments precious. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Intelligence is not a destination. It's an ever-evolving journey. We must all be ready to learn, accept, and implement, just as we should to teach, imbibe, and convince. Only through working together can we change the world and make it a better place. We would thank everyone present here for taking out time and joining us today as we are ready to set on a voyage which will help us steer through the course of our journey throughout the day. Thank you and Jai Hind.